As time went by, we saw many companies actually move more and more employees to a work from home environment. IPC serves over 100,000 traders globally. We have several hundred thousand people in our network community. We're very well connected to the financial and trading industry. And this is an industry that's not used to having people work from home. Typically, traders work in an office for regulatory reasons and compliance reasons. So the adaptation and the adjustments were unprecedented. But I would say most clients were very adept at adapting to their BCP plans. Regulators cooperated, and really very minimal disruption to the markets during a very volatile time.
Oh, yes, indeed. How permanent could the work from home model become for financial institutions, you think, Bob? Because we just, heard from Twitter saying that they are considering making work from home something that could happen forever for their employees, like a model that will be in the works forever. Do you think financial companies can also think of such a setup?
Yeah, I absolutely think that. I think that the word forever is a really long time in the financial industry, as you know. Sometimes the markets have short memories. However, I think most trading firms, big banks, global banks, regional banks in Asia, have been pleasantly surprised how productive their workforces have been working at home or working remotely. We expect, and we're already seeing a really substantial demand from our customer base to provide solutions to let people work at home. Things like soft clients, which is basically a computerized version or a soft downloaded version of using a trading hardware, trading voice communications. We've seen a huge demand for our networking services. What that tells us is that the trend with these companies is they're preparing for the long term. They're preparing to have some subset of their employees work at home, work in an office, or some sort of hybrid going forward. And I think what we're going to see is a different looking trading floor in many firms in the future, one that's spaced farther apart, one that leads to more flexibility. And we're going to see much more emphasis on things like cloud solutions, things that provide flexibility when it comes to technology tools. How we're talking today through things like Skype and Zoom and other things will be much more important down the road. So what we're seeing, which is really one of the silver linings for the industry, is probably an acceleration of technology advances and adaptation for certain tools and certain new and emerging
Yeah.
technologies in our space that's going to help traders work better at home.